Hi everyone, this is Grandma Connie and Connor Minix. Today we're going to be making strawberry cheesecake dip. It's so easy and quick and it's very good. It'd be good for your 4th of July parties. So if you want to see more of our recipes, be sure to subscribe. Okay, let's get started. Hi everyone, it's Grandma Connie back with another recipe. If you'd like to see our 4th of July recipe from last year, just click right up here to watch that. So we'll go ahead and get started. We want 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. We're going to beat that. And then we're going to do a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Beat that. And then we need a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring and a 1/2 teaspoon of almond flavoring. Okay, and we're going to beat it just a little bit more. Next, we need to add 2 tablespoons of milk. And we'll beat it a little bit longer. Then we're going to stir in a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Okay, now we're going to show you how to serve it. Once you get the dip done, we've got it here. You're going to dip the strawberry in it. And then you're going to dip it in graham cracker crumbs. Kind of roll it. There you go.
Okay guys, that's it for our strawberry cheesecake dip video. They were really fast. They're real easy to make. They'd be good for your 4th of July parties or anything at all. They're just a good summer dessert. So now you want to try them?
Yeah, let's try it. Okay. It's like a cheesecake.
Yeah, that is really good. So that's it for our strawberry cheesecake video. If you want to see some other 4th of July recipes, be sure to check the description and the pinned comment. I'll have our punch bowl jello and our blueberry and strawberry pretzel dessert both there.
And be sure to subscribe for more easy recipes.
So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you all later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye.